What if one of the biggest factors affecting testosterone isn't your diet or workouts, but something you do every night? Many men focus on supplements and exercise while overlooking sleep, even though it plays a critical hormonal role. Testosterone production follows a daily rhythm, and sleep is one of the most important factors influencing that process. Much of your daily testosterone production occurs while you sleep, especially during the deeper stages of rest. To understand why sleep matters so much, we first need to look at what happens inside the body overnight. While you sleep peacefully, your body enters several sleep stages, each performing essential functions that support long-term health and hormone balance. Deep sleep is especially important because this stage is closely associated with the body's natural production of testosterone during the night. As deep sleep continues, testosterone production naturally rises, helping support muscle recovery, energy levels, and normal reproductive function. This is one reason quality sleep often leaves you feeling refreshed, energized, and mentally prepared for the day ahead. But what happens when your sleep is shortened night after night? The answer may surprise many healthy young men. Missing sleep occasionally is normal, but repeated sleep deprivation can gradually interfere with your body's natural testosterone production over time. Research suggests that consistently sleeping too little may reduce normal testosterone production and affect overall hormonal balance in healthy men. Low energy, reduced motivation, and difficulty concentrating are common signs that poor sleep may be affecting your overall health. Poor sleep disrupts the body's normal hormone regulation, making it harder to maintain healthy testosterone levels from day to day. Next, let's examine what scientific studies have discovered about the relationship between sleep duration and healthy testosterone levels in men. Scientists have studied sleep and testosterone for years, and the findings consistently highlight the importance of getting enough quality sleep. Several studies have found that sleeping fewer hours for multiple nights may reduce normal daytime testosterone levels in healthy men. Healthy testosterone supports many important functions, including energy, muscle maintenance, mood, and normal male reproductive health throughout adulthood. Consistent sleep habits matter more than one perfect night because hormone regulation depends on regular healthy sleep patterns over time. Knowing the science is helpful, but recognizing the warning signs of poor sleep is equally important for protecting testosterone naturally. Poor sleep doesn't always feel dramatic at first because the warning signs often develop gradually over weeks or even months. Persistent fatigue, poor concentration, and reduced motivation can sometimes be linked to insufficient sleep affecting your body's normal hormone balance. Some men also notice mood changes, lower enthusiasm, or reduced interest in everyday activities when sleep quality remains consistently poor. Sleep influences many systems simultaneously, which explains why poor sleep can affect both physical performance and overall well-being together. Now that we've recognized the warning signs, let's examine how many hours of sleep most healthy adults actually need. Most healthy adults benefit from 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support normal hormone production naturally. Sleeping too little on a regular basis gives your body less opportunity to complete important overnight hormone-related recovery processes. Getting enough sleep consistently often improves morning energy, alertness, recovery, and supports the body's natural hormonal balance throughout each day. Maintaining a regular bedtime helps your internal body clock work efficiently, making quality sleep easier to achieve every night. Sleep duration matters, but sleep quality can be equally important for supporting healthy testosterone production and overall well-being. Sleeping longer doesn't always mean sleeping better because uninterrupted, high-quality sleep allows your body to complete important overnight recovery processes. Frequent nighttime awakenings can interrupt normal sleep cycles, reducing the time your body spends in restorative deep sleep stages. Simple bedtime habits can improve sleep quality, making it easier for your body to maintain healthy overnight hormone regulation naturally. A cool, dark, and quiet bedroom creates an environment that supports deeper, more consistent sleep throughout the entire night. Unfortunately, several everyday habits quietly reduce sleep quality, and many people practice them without even realizing the consequences. Using your phone late at night can delay sleep, making it harder for your body to begin normal overnight recovery. Drinking caffeine too late in the day may keep your brain alert, making restful sleep more difficult to achieve consistently. Heavy meals shortly before bedtime may interfere with comfortable sleep, reducing the quality of overnight recovery and restorative rest. An inconsistent bedtime schedule confuses your internal body clock, making healthy sleep patterns much harder to maintain over time. The encouraging news is that improving sleep quality often begins with a few simple habits you can start practicing tonight. A consistent bedtime routine signals your brain that it's time to sleep, making it easier to fall asleep naturally each night. Replacing late-night screen time with quiet, relaxing activities may help your mind prepare for deeper and more refreshing sleep. Regular daytime activity and exposure to natural daylight help strengthen your body's internal clock and support better sleep at night. Eating balanced meals earlier in the evening may improve nighttime comfort and help support uninterrupted sleep throughout the night. These simple habits work together over time, creating the conditions your body needs for healthy sleep and normal hormone production. Healthy testosterone begins with healthy sleep, and small improvements each night can make a meaningful difference over the long term. Better sleep can improve your daily energy, recovery, focus, and overall well-being while supporting your body's natural hormone balance. Quality sleep supports healthy hormone production, which helps maintain energy, recovery, mental performance, and overall health throughout adulthood. If poor sleep continues despite healthy habits, consider discussing your symptoms with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized medical evaluation. Tonight's sleep is tomorrow's investment in your health, so prioritize consistent rest and let your body perform at its best.